office and we're having lunch here after namin kumuha ng NBI clearance. So, our food is already here. Charan! 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 Say hi! So hungry. After namin pumila sa NBI clearance. Pero hindi naman ganun kahaba ang pila. Maganda dito guys kasi mabilis lang. Kasi wala pa kami mga pang 10 kami nung dumating kami. So konti lang yung tao tapos ang bilis ng process. Nakuha namin agad yung NBI namin. So now we're having lunch. So after this, pupunta naman kami sa Makati City Hall kasi nga yearly kailangan kumuha ng health certificate and mayor's permit. So, kain na kami guys. We're going to eat our favorite Japanese food here in Tokyo, Tokyo. Charan! Charan! Bye Nina for now!